From January 1st next, all motorists in Northern Ireland crossing the border from the white line to the yellow one will have to carry an insurance green card. For people in Northern Ireland's road haulage sector, there is growing concern that such a development could be costly.
This is just another layer of bureaucracy. If introduced, albeit feedback from some of the insurance sector says that insurance certificates already have this green card provision already included. However, if insurance companies decide to start charging operators for this, and if there's a limit on the duration of the green cards, then that adds to the burden hauliers are already facing as a consequence of Brexit.
While motorists will not be required to hold an international driving permit, in the border town of Newry on the UK side of the Irish border, the introduction of insurance green cards is causing concern.
I work in the south of Ireland and I live in the north of Ireland, so obviously having to travel up and down every day would be the inconvenience of having to apply for this, and how often does it have to be applied for, so that would definitely be a concern.
As an Irish citizen and an Irish passport holder, I would have concerns having to show documentation from crossing over into the border or into the south across the border. That would worry me, yeah.
I mean, it's going to add extra costs to the insurance companies because they have extra paperwork and bureaucracy, and the fact that they've issued them at all means there must be some sort of checks, so that you're going to have checks from customs officers or guards on the other side of the border, so it's adding extra workload to them at a time when they need it least.
As far as the Irish government is concerned, these changes are likely to be the first of many.
Brexit will also bring changes, many of which most of us don't want. And unfortunately, those changes are going to be difficult for people on both sides of the border. And on the issue of the green card for insurance, that is currently a requirement of the European Commission for cars coming from outside of the European Union.
This plan to introduce a green card system for motorists in the United Kingdom heading south into the Republic of Ireland, which is in the European Union, is all conditional on the basis that the UK fails to reach a transition deal with the European Union. Many motorists here north of the border fear that if an extra layer of inconvenient bureaucracy is added to their daily trips, this may be a taste of things to come. This is Ken Murray for Euronews on the UK-EU border in the Republic of Ireland.